What's going on, guys? Another episode of Project Review. My name is Deco. Appreciate you tuning in. In today's product, we're going to be going over the Lego adapter for the 6-volt Arduino motor. So, in this series, we go over why we made it, what our design choices for, and why we made it the way we do. So, I like to tinker around with Arduino, and I wanted to make stuff that I could functionally use and handle on a day-to-day basis, but I don't really want to spend a whole lot of money or time printing out all this crazy stuff. You can now with a printer, but an easy supply that most nerds or anybody really carries around their house is Lego. And you can do a lot of stuff with Lego. Lego has this whole Technic set. If you haven't seen it, it's all gears and like scaffolding, and you can make hinges and doors and all sorts of crazy stuff. And people use it to make robots with the Lego Mindstorm sets. You can actually build and program functioning robots. So that is the purpose of this right here. Is there's no way to get this motor to functionally spin without some sort of Lego attachment. I spent a lot of time trying to mount it differently in between the Lego parts, and really the only way to get a good secure attachment that's not wiggly and wobbly and just crappy is with this right here. I designed it to, it's the identical proportion, sorry the camera's really not picking it up, to a axle piece from the Technics Lego sets. And on the end here, I created a little housing with a small cylinder extrusion inside of it that is just slightly bigger than the, I guess, axle from this motor. And it just slides right on. And spinning it like this, sure, you can free spin it right now, but if you add a little bit of glue and you just slide it in, it'll lock it in place. And now it allows you to, you can make all these gears and motors and everything with Lego, because once you apply your 6 volts to this right here, it's going to start spinning. And now you have a functional machine that you can build out of Lego, and this just supports it and makes it easier, so you don't need to get anything else. I did upload this to YouTube. Let me get this name right here. The user at Pablocus J, sorry if I mispronounced that, Pablocusj. He actually commented on there and he was like, wow, that was a really good product. That's what really resonated with him out of my intro products, because this really isn't, I've never seen anything like this. He's never seen anything like this, heard of anything like this, and he was saying, oh, well, you should make a Lego compatible adapter for it as well. And I actually didn't think of doing one for this motor part, and I really did have a big hassle of trying to get it to fit. Again, this would require a little bit more precision cutting and whatever into the plastic, but it's totally achievable. But then it really got me thinking, because I did already have an idea to design one for the actual Arduino unit, where it can sit housed in the plastic, and it'll just snap off of the Lego, so you can just throw your board in there and build around it or whatever you want to do. So that was indeed one of the things I was thinking about. But that was a great feedback. Thank you for that feedback. I appreciate it. I'm happy that you told me, and it's definitely something I'm probably going to do. And you were saying, I think, also include them like a kit. And I'm like, these are things that I'm just not thinking about. I can design this, but I can't. I'm only getting a portion of the product. So I really appreciate that. Thank you for letting me know. But that essentially was it. I did make it. I think this is just over 1/2 inch, and I did that just so I had a long extension to feed off of the end of the remote, or the end of the motor here. That way, it doesn't have to sit right up next to the gear or anything like that. You can actually get it from a little bit of a distance. You can actually also add they have extension Lego pieces that will slide onto this and can extend the axle even further if I wanted to. So the whole point was at least to be able to get snugly and fully into that extension piece while giving me a little bit of room away from the motor. And that was the big design behind this little adapter piece that I made. And if you want to pick these up, the Etsy link is down in there. I sell them in packs of 10 for $5. And these are just really cool. And if you want to learn more about any of these other design products that I'm designing and things like that, feel free to like, subscribe, shout me out. I'd appreciate it. Thank you much, and I'll see you very much into the next one. Bye.